Judges and my fellow friends. I'm feeling really down today. Oh, I know why, and that's because I am going to be reviewing a book from the Legends of Southeast Asia. The title of this book is The Organ of the CARABAO. This book has up to 14 pages. So it's a written book. The author is SAFIAH YASSIN, and the publisher of the book is Penerbit Citrawarna Sendirian Bahan. As you can see, this is a book that I've been reading for the past week. Before I summarize the story and review the book, let me introduce myself. My name is Sjkc Chong Hwa. I'm now standard 6 and I'm studying in a very great school named Sjkc Chong Hwa. The school code is WBC0116. That is the end of the introduction. Time to start summarizing the story. From what I know in this story, it is about a troll named Aga who is secretly in love with a very beautiful young lady named Mara. But Mara's cup of tea isn't a troll at all, and was a very handsome, young, hard-working other student, Kayla. In the end, 3 days before Mara was going to marry Kayla, Agam forced Mara to love him by capturing her with his belt. After that, Kayla came to rescue his future fiancé. When the troll and Kayla was having their fight, the troll cheated and turned Kayla into a gentle CARABAO. So sad. Because of that, Mara demanded Agam to change her into a CARABAO too, so that she can show the troll how much she actually loved Kayla, even if the troll had so much power. After reading this whole story, if you're asking for my opinion, I think I will rate this book 8 out of 10 stars. The reason I gave it an 8 out of 10 stars and not 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 9, and that is because I believe that it is not possible to have 100% perfect. I believe that everything has at least 1% that is non-perfected. The second reason is because the drawing of this book is a little bad, as you can see from the pictures here. The third reason is that the illustration does not have enough striking colors. Let's stop talking about the negative side. Let's start talking about the positive side. Because this book has really good story writing, so it entertained me for quite an amount of hours. Another reason is because the story is really easy to understand. The third reason is that this story has a cute and a very lovely ending. The fourth reason is because I am a legend story lover. Although this book has only 14 pages, it does not mean that it's not suitable for young readers like 5 years old till 12 years old. From this story, I noticed the moral value of this story is that we should never force your crush to love you if he or she already had their soulmate. As a person once told me, is that we should let every everything happen naturally and never ever force it. That's all I have to say in my book review. I hope everybody has a